back with another vlog, another mod vlog at that. Today we will be mounting the Burger Motorsports wheel spacers. Now I got, like I said in the video, the vlog last time, I got 18mm spacers all around. I got the little hockey puck looking thing for the jack points on the BMW. Also I got the 17mm socket to unscrew and screw in the wheel bolts, and I got a torque wrench. So I guess we're set. Alright you guys, this is what I was talking about. So you see how the fender is right here and the wheel sits tucked inside? With the spacers is gonna have the wheels sit in a little bit outward, like outside of the, not outside, but like fitted to like around there. You'll see how it is, but basically you see how it is now without spacers. It's tucked in under the fender. Also, let me show you the rear. The rear, I mean the rears aren't bad, but I needed to sit at a wide, mean look, aggressive look. So this is how it looks now. And then once I put the spacers on, it's gonna have like it's gonna sit outer. Well, not outer, but you know what I mean. It's gonna come out further. So we have the Burger Motorsport spacers, 18mm. This is the torque wrench I got. This is the hockey puck jack pad for the jack points on the BMW. And then this is a 17mm socket. Focus. It says 17mm, you get it. And then this is the spacers, along with the extended wheel bolts that you will need after using these. So obviously, loosening the bolts, you gotta jack it up slightly and then loosen the bolts. Now one thing I didn't know about the M Performance cars is that I didn't know they use bolts. Focus. I didn't know they use bolts. I thought all cars, I mean except from like hyper and supercars, I thought they used like these, but I thought regular cars use regular lug nuts like on your regular car. But got it hooked up. Now let's kind of brake. Not brake, but you car people know what I mean by braking. And you gotta do it in a star pattern to get it off evenly. I got it all off. I mean, I got it off the ground. And you can basically take it off with your hands. That way it's easier and faster. Now they make these to like, they make these to protect the rims, because you know you have to stick it inside. That's what she said. The 18mm bolt. This is the stock bolt. Wait. Get it to focus. This is the stock bolt, and this is the 18mm bolt. And you see the difference. 18mm stock. Alright, now it's time to get off the wheel. Okay, got the wheel off. Now what you want to do, some people get wire brushes and brush this off, like the rust and all of that, but I don't have one of those, so I'm gonna do nothing. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's nothing major. Let me get a closer look. So this is how the wheel bolt, I said the wheel bolt, the spacers sit on. putting it on by yourself. Well, some people. Okay. Now I need this back again. Just a little bit so I can tighten the bolts. Now, as you can see, the wheel sits out further. Now that's the look I was going for. Now I will be getting lowering springs. I think I'm gonna go with the iBot lowering spring, but as you can see, there's a pretty big wheel gap right here. But I will be taking the spacers off once I get rims and tires because it's gonna sit flush once I get those. All right, so for the back, it's basically the same process. I'm not gonna bore you guys with it, so you guys can basically just watch well, I'm gonna show you guys how it sits now. This is how it sits. You see? Look at the top of the tire. And then look at it as it goes down. So I'm gonna do a, I guess, time lapse of this. You guys can just watch. This car definitely needs a wash. Back in Virginia, I usually take my car to a hand wash spot. So now here, I don't really know where there's any hand wash spots unless I call a mobile detailer, and I feel like that's kind of it's not kind of expensive, but it's kind of overdoing it right now since I don't have the car wrapped, because the car will be getting wrapped. We'll be getting new wheels, suspension, all that. So I don't really like, I'm gonna wash it off, but I'm just gonna like spray it off with high pressure water. Or I might go to the touchless wash, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna get a better torque wrench. I have the spacer mounted, bolts are in, securely in at that. Some people use Loctite, but I mean, I don't have that right now. I'll probably get that later on. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right now. I'm about to let the jack down. All right, so this is what it looks like now. See where the wheel is sitting? And before, it wasn't sitting out this far. And so once I lower it, once I get it lowered, this is gonna close up. This gap right here is gonna close up, and it's gonna like sit flush about right. Probably gonna sit right here, maybe, or a little bit above that, but yeah. See, it sticks out. Look at the top, it sticks out more. Now, once I lower it, it's gonna give it a more of an aggressive look. You can see the crack right there. And it cracked on the inside. Okay, right there. It ended up cracking right there. So Burger Tuning, Burger Motorsports, get it together. You can't have somebody doing wheel work. I'll do a review on it. I do like the way it's sitting out. So this is, I was on the last wheel also. So yeah. Other than that, this is it. You guys don't forget to hit that bell notification, subscribe, like, share, and comment. And if you guys have any other suggestions on my vlogs, please comment down below.